In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in Klaviyo. So, whether you're new to Klaviyo or just looking to customize your experience, this detailed guide will walk you through each step of the process. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to be on the Klaviyo homepage. Once you're there, look towards the lower left corner of your screen, where you should see your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will open up a menu with a variety of options. The one we're interested in for today is Settings, so go ahead and give that a click. After you've clicked Settings, direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you will find the Personal tab. Select it, and this should lead you to your personal account settings. Once you're here, scroll down just a little until you see the section labeled Language. The Language section is where you can modify the language settings of your Klaviyo account. You'll notice a drop-down menu that lists all the available languages. This menu is your gateway to customizing your Klaviyo experience to best fit your needs, whether that's setting it to your native language or another one you're comfortable with. Once you've decided on a language from the drop-down list, you'll want to ensure that this change is saved, so be sure to click the Save button once you've made your selection. Saving your choice ensures that all your interactions with the platform are now in the language of your choice, which can make your workflow more efficient and user-friendly. And that's all it takes to change the language settings in Klaviyo. Just to recap, you start on the home page, click your profile icon, head into Settings, navigate to the Personal tab, scroll down to Language, choose your desired language from the drop-down menu, and finally, save your changes. This simple process can enrich your user experience by allowing you to interact with the Klaviyo interface in a language that's most intuitive to you. It's a small tweak that can have a significant impact on how you use the platform, especially if you're part of a global team or working with diverse clients who may prefer different languages. We hope this guide was helpful and you feel more confident adjusting your language settings within Klaviyo. Remember, customization is all about making your tools work for you, and language is a big part of that. Thanks for tuning in, and happy marketing with Klaviyo.